If you are busy or you don't have time, go straight to this time code to see the step-by-step walkthrough, okay? Or speed up the video. Hi everybody, hi everyone. I'm Gary J, aka SUNINEYE, but I'm from Paris, so excuse my English. I'll try my best to be understandable, to be fluent. Today, I'm gonna show you how to buy the Acorn token, the cryptocurrency Acorn, but with the lower fees, with no charge. Okay, so today, on Wednesday, November the 10th, 2021, you can buy the Acoin token on Bitrex platform or Bitmart platform. I'm using Bitmart, so I'm gonna show you how to buy in Bitmart. But you need to know, you have to keep in mind for now and the future that the Acorn token use the Stellar protocol, the Stellar network. The Stellar network had been created to transfer money very fast and with lower fees. So the Acorn token use the Stellar protocol. Okay, if you need more information, go to the Stellar Lumen website or the Akoin.io website. Okay, so let's go. When you are on Bitmart, hover on your email address and go to Assets. In the search bar, type AKN. This is the code for Acoin token, AKN. And so you can see I have some Acoin. Don't go to deposit now. Go to trade. Click on trade, AKN USDT. And you see you need USDT to buy AKN today on Wednesday, November the 10th. Okay, so what people do, they are going to buy and sell here. Buy and sell, and for me it's not the best way because they charge you a lot of fees. Look, I want to buy USDT, maybe $100. I click on buy. I can choose MoonPay or Simplex. Look, the delivery time, 20 to 90 minutes. Long. The first counts, that's long. The second counts, look, they charge me $28 to get $100. That's too much because this is not the same system, the same protocol. You will understand that you are not on the Stellar network. Okay, so I don't want to pay $28 of fees for $100. So now in real you have two choices. The first choice is for people that works only in Bitmart. People that doesn't have a cryptocurrency wallet on Binance, for example, or Coinbase or Kraken, what you want. If you only work with Bitmart, this is another way. So go back to buy and sell, and instead of select USDT, select XLM. XLM is the Stellar Lumens token, the Stellar token. And remember, the Acorn token use the Stellar protocol to operate. So, for example, I want $100 of XLM. I will choose MoonPay. So 90 minutes of delivery time. Buy, continue, okay, and look, bingo, only $4 of charge. That's better. So you click on buy now. Me, I won't do it. Okay, so now we have XLM token. We need to convert them in USDT token to buy Acoin token. So go back in the Bitmart homepage, over your email addresses, go to assets. In the first row you can see USDT, or look for USDT and select trade, anyone, BTC, USDT. The important is to be on the trade page. And now in the search bar, type XLM/USDT. You can see it here, XLM/USDT. We are going to convert to sell our XLM token to have USDT token. So this is my XLM balance. If you want to convert all your XLM to USDT, click on 100% and then click on sell XLM. This way the fees are lower. Remember the $28 of charge when we want to buy USDT straight from credit card. This way the charge are lower. I will show you now with my way, the best way. Okay, now I'm going to send from my Coinbase account, my Coinbase wallet. I'm going to send Stellar Lumens token to my Bitmart account. Stellar Lumen to Stellar Lumen. Don't send USD. Don't send. If you want, you can send USDT to USDT, but the USDT is very expensive. The charge are very expensive. Stellar Lumen is a network, is the protocol that had been created to allow people to send money very fast and with the lower fees. Okay, and that's the reason I think that the Acorn use the Stellar network. Okay, so look my Coinbase page. I have some Stellar Lumen, 48 euro, and look my Bitmart page. So I'm going to deposit. Okay, when I click on deposit, you arrive on this page and you select AKN. Okay, and you click on deposit. Look, take care of the address and the memo, so we need both of them. Go to deposit. So this is my address and my memo. I will copy paste this address to send me money. So now on my Coinbase wallet, voilà, I click on envoyer tout. Envoyer tout means send all. I send all my XLM. So I copy paste the address and I copy paste the memo. Okay, pay with Stellar Lumens. continue. Okay. And look. Coinbase fee 0. Network fees 0. Delivery time less of 1 minute. Okay, send now. Okay, verification code. Ok, confirme. Bingo, vous avez envoyé. You sent 48. Nanana. Okay, I go back to my Bitmart account in the funds history, and you can see in the receive amount I received 128.99 and I sent from my Coinbase account 128.99. Okay, in less than 1 minute, no fee. So now I can convert my XLM token to USDT token. So I hover my email, I go to assets, USDT, trade, select anyone, but in the search bar type XLM/USDT. Okay, so now I'm on the XLM to USDT trade page. So look, my XLM balance and the USDT price. Okay, I click on 100% because I want to convert all my XLM token, and he gives me 55 USDT. Okay, I click on sell XLM, order place. That's better to go to buy and sell, buy USDT, So now I'm going to my account, assets, and you can see USDT. I have my 55 USDT, and then I can buy Acorn. So in the search bar, I click on Acorn. Okay, trade Acorn/USDT. Okay, so this is my USDT balance. This is the Acorn price. I click on 100%. That gives me 290 AKN. I buy my AKN. Order place. Bingo, we both buy AKN Acoin token with the low fees today on Wednesday, November the 10th. That's the best way, I think, to buy Acorn. So if I go back now to my assets, you can see that I get 873 AKN. I'm rich. And if you don't have a Bitmart account, I put my referral link in the description. You earn something if I remember, and I earn also something. And I also put my Coinbase referral link. You earn $8 and I earn $8. That's a way to say me thank you. Okay guys, work's done. We bought Acoin token. Remember that the Acoin token use the Stellar network, the Stellar protocol. that's a fast and cheap way to transfer money, and I think it will stay the cheap way to buy AKN, the Acorn token. So today the Acorn token can be traded only on Bitmart or Bitrex. So first get Stellar Lumen or USDT, but Stellar Lumen I think is the best. Then convert your Stellar Lumen to USDT, and then with your USDT buy the AKN. I think in the future it will be possible to buy AKN straight with Stellar Lumen or AKN to AKN, Akoin to Acorn. I believe this project, and if you want more information, go to the acorn.io. Okay, bye bye. Gary J, aka SUNINEYE from Paris. Bye bye.